Hey guys, today I'm here with the new Xprite spare tire third brake light. Installation on this is pretty simple. What you're going to want to do is take off your spare tire and then take the brake light and place it onto the base. Hook up your wiring by taking the positive and negative and hooking them directly to the brake lights. Then you can take the third wire and hook that up to the battery, and that will work your RGB. And then you take your spare tire and put it back on and tighten it up, and you're ready to go.